Hello, it's Tuesday, January the 10th, 2012, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar weakened against the other major currencies as German Chancellor Angela Merkel and French President Sarkozy gave hope that leaders could sign off on a fiscal pact to solve the region's debt crisis. Wall Street closed positive as S&P increased by 0.23% and the Dow by 0.27%. Crude closed at $101 a barrel and gold declined by 0.50% to finish at $1,608 an ounce. No major economic data is expected today. The euro rose from its lowest level in 16 months against the dollar as the European leaders sought fiscal union among member states. The euro-dollar's momentum is negative below 129. As long as the pair's trading below this rate, the trend will continue to decline. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 126.77 and a high of 127.85. No major economic data is expected today. The pound strengthened versus the dollar following the European leaders' announcement. As long as the pound-dollar is trading below 155, the momentum is still bearish for the pound. The next support line on the daily chart is at 153.50. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 153.96 and a high of 154.69. No major economic data is expected today. The yen closed higher against the dollar as a weaker dollar worldwide led investors to stick with the Japanese currency. The dollar-yen is still trading within a narrow range, and breaking the 77.30 support level will cause the dollar to be the more attractive. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 76.77 and a high of 77.01. Again, no major economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This strengthened for the first time in 4 days versus the dollar due to the European leaders' positive declaration, which led to greater attractiveness for higher-yielding assets. As long as the pair's trading below 103.30, the dollar's momentum is bearish. The next support level on the 1-hour chart is at 102. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.25 and a high of 103.19. Today, housing starts are expected at 186,000 versus 181,000 prior. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.